B. What if one natural compound hidden inside everyday foods could help support healthy aging, brain function, and even how your cells repair themselves? Scientists are paying close attention to something called spermidine, and the research is getting people excited about longevity and healthy living. Despite the unusual name, spermidine is a naturally occurring compound found in your body and in certain foods, its biggest claim to fame. Supporting a process called autophagy, your body's natural cleanup system. Think of autophagy like your body taking out the cellular rubbish, helping remove damaged cells and supporting healthier function. As we age, this process may slow down, and researchers are exploring whether spermidine may help support it. So, why are scientists interested in spermidine? Early research suggests it may support healthy aging, heart health, brain function, and cellular repair. Some studies are exploring whether it may help support memory and cognitive health as we get older. Others are investigating its role in maintaining healthy cells and promoting overall vitality. But here's something important. Spermidine is not a miracle cure. Healthy aging still depends on daily habits, good nutrition, movement, quality sleep, hydration, and stress management. The good news: spermidine occurs naturally in food. Foods rich in spermidine include wheat germ, mushrooms, soybeans, peas, aged cheese, and whole grains. A balanced diet full of plant-based nutrients may naturally support your body's wellness systems. Some people also explore supplements, but always speak to a healthcare professional before adding something new to your routine. At You Have a Life, we believe healthy living is about awareness, education, and making better daily choices. We stand for wellness, longevity, balanced nutrition, and helping people take greater responsibility for their health, one step at a time. Because the truth is, you don't inherit your health, you create it. Would you try foods rich in spermidine for healthier aging? Follow YouHaveALife for more wellness insights, healthy living ideas, and practical ways to support longevity.